Hello everyone, today I will tell you about my projects. So our last project is we'll use required to use MQTT and SQL API and Dockers also. So this my project is called Smart Home Monitoring. So it will use like simulate the Raspberry sensor, something like humidity or the temperatures, and it will can check the electrical usage, or it can like open or close the um, turn off the light, something like that. And we require four of the um, layers. So first one, this is the sensor part. It will be like simulate the Raspberry and sensor, something like that can store like, send the data from like example humidity and temperatures and electrical usage, and it will send by use MQTT to send to my Dockers, and my Dockers will use the fast API as the API, and then I use SQL to store the data like MQTT, and it will receive to this one. So Docker will have like both of the data. So after I have opened the Dockers, it will be waiting for receive the data from the sensor. It will send from the MQTT in the port one. I will show you in the port 1883, and then after it send it, and it can monitoring by use the API like fast API to open the server or use the front end or back end, something like that. And then we can monitoring in the website, and then we use Cloudflare as the DNS to change the names of the IP address, like the name that we have connect. So first of all, I will show you the code of the sensors. Okay, this is my code of the sensor. You will see we will have a living room and bedroom and kitchen. This means like sensor that attached to every room, and we can monitoring it by user website. Okay, but I don't have any equipment, so I will use it like the random, and then it will be simulate our activity. So after that, it will be published to the MQTT in a broker and part of this one. It will be localhost first, but MQTT cannot use in two times in the whole computer, so it needs to use localhost first. After localhost, we can receive the data from that one, and we use the MQTT in the same part of this one. Okay, so it will receive it, and then you will see the result of this. So you can connect and filter the monitoring data, and it can on or off by use the toggle. I have set it already, and then I will use the index HTML to use HTML to visualization as more of the beautiful. So this is all my code, and go back to my project. This is my project. I support to use the 443 ports because of I want to use the Cloudflare, and Cloudflare needs to use the HTTP port, so it needs to use like 443 as the DNS and 80 like to the HTTP. And you will see this one. After we have like the data from that one is will send to this one, and this one will visualize the history from SQL, and then you will see in the command prompt this file server have received the data from my sensor, and my sensor I will run it. Okay, so it will publish the data to port this one, and then it will send to this one. Okay, and this one will receive the data. So this is all of the file server. Okay, after we receive it, it will be our history, and it will can plot the graph. And my project is used to monitoring the data from the sensor. So you will see the times domain like it random, so it will can plot the graph, and you can observe the data from any room that you want. Okay, and I set up this one to 0.1 kilowatt per hour if we have turned on the light status. So we will observe it. It have to random, so it will be like something like this, and yes, it will go up, go down. It's because of it random, and if it's off, it will be like 0, something like that, but it will not update yet. Okay, you will see this one, and I will show you this one, humidity. Okay, so our project is work done, and you will see it can monitoring the temperature and something like that, and we have used all of this. I have opened server by use Docker, or maybe I will show you how to open it. Okay, after all, we need to down it, and we need to compose it up, and then it will be start to download our project to the Docker file, and we will be waiting a moment. This install my library to the Docker, so it will be easy to open the server, and then it will say the Unicorn is running on all of the port, and I mean all of the address and in the port 443, and then it can monitoring. So okay, that is work done, and the next part is the Cloudflare. Actually, I have tried so many times, but I think it's because of the length of the Cloudflare that didn't accept me to use it. But I have my own Cloudflare. My own DNS is the Star Network, and I will show you. Okay, and we're going to do it. I will show you my history. Yeah, it's because of I just download the Docker, so it will store only this one, and it have this sensor is like this sensor is sent in the real time, so yeah, it can observe the data. And we're waiting for this one, and it showed this one. I saw it like it's because of the the range maybe. And after I will show you how to use the Cloudflare also. Okay, after we have log in and we have buy our DNS domain, and we will set up in this one. This is my domain, and you will see in the AN wherever I use this. This one is the public IP, so you can use this one. This will show you how to what is your IP address in the publics. Because of this require the public or only the publics. So I think that is all my projects. Smart home sensor. Okay, thank you.